The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact your financial advisor for any financial questions you may have concerning your investments. Cryptocurrency continues to spiral out of control in the wrong direction, thanks in part to the tariff policy by this current administration. Let's look at the week that was in cryptocurrency, April 1st through the 7th. Well, as the fear and greed index continues to provide evidence to the selling that is going off as people begin to sell off all of their crypto assets to show up for things to come, with increases expected in everything that we purchase. And today we just found out that a new retaliatory tariff is being enacted against the largest producer in the world, China, going into effect at midnight. 104% tariff increases, not done through any legislative body, no economic forecasting done on the further ramifications and the damage done to the world economy based on these actions. There are a lot of talking heads, people who have far more experience in global affairs, global finance than I do, but it is painfully obvious that this administration, for whatever its motives, are not stopping. And it doesn't seem to factor in to the ethos whether the American people even wanted this trade war. We don't. Nobody wants to pay higher prices, but that's what's going to happen. And as a result, things like cryptocurrency is going to be one of the first casualties as people start to pull out money to shore up what they have on hand to try to weather this storm for however long it's going to last. In efforts to try to create some generational wealth or some additional revenue, I've been embarking on a couple of projects. Is this a time to start a business of some sort, a need-based business? What services do you have that you can do from your home? Uh, there's just things you're going to have to do. I do not believe this is the time to be stagnant. Um, I've gone ahead and continued my plans to make something happen on the business front that I've been doing, a brick and mortar store. I'll keep you posted on the particulars, but you're going to have to start generating revenue more so than you've ever done before. Find that thing that you can do that can bring in some extra bread to offset some of these price increases that we are expecting. I'm not going to go too long on this because obviously the algorithm and the channel's guidelines will not allow me to do anything on the advice tip. However, from a personal standpoint, it is time to get concerned. Make sure your financial house is in order. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you soon.